आई थिंक जो किरदार आप निभाते हो ऑन स्क्रीन उससे लोग बहुत लिंक करते हैं. सो आई वॉज वेरी लकी टू प्ले अ गर्ल जो कि सोशल कॉज के लिए आवाज़ उठाती है और मैंने उठाया था. सो इवन हियर यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही बड़ा इनिशिएटिव है. NGOs दे हैव कम कोलैबोरेटेड कि सेलिब्रिटी सब एक साथ वॉक करें, है ना. तो मेरे ख्याल से डिजिटल मीडिया में जब लोग देखेंगे कि सेलिब्रिटीज़ आर कमिंग, दे आर नॉट हियर फॉर एनी पब्लिसिटी, दे जस्ट हियर फॉर अ गुड कॉज. सो पीपल विल फील वेरी मोटिवेटेड एंड आई मस्ट स्पेशली थैंक अर्चना कोचर. उन्होंने बहुत ही एक अच्छा चीज़ किया है कि अहिंसा सिल्क जो कि पीस सिल्क है, सिल्क जब हम एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो वो छोटे जो लार्वा होते हैं ना वो कुकुन में मर जाते हैं जब पानी बॉयल होता है. सो सिल्क एक्सट्रैक्ट करने से पहले ही उनको वो निकाल देते हैं, रिलीज़ कर देते हैं. सो आई थिंक एनिमल क्रूअल्टी के अगेंस्ट भी दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी गुड स्टेप.
I think this is for the first time I've been a part of something like this. And as I've been saying in every interview, that as actors, as artists, this is the least we can do by paying tribute to the people who lost their lives 26/11 attacks. And hats off to them. We just can't repay them for what they did for the country, for us, and for all the citizens. And being here, being part of this was really nice. And I just felt that you could just do something by just doing this. And I would just like to say thank to Wellinger College as well. All the kids who have organized this have done a great job here. And I think this has been happening for the past few years as well, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 5 years, as Radhika just said, who is part of the Wellinger College as well. And so yeah, it's been organized pretty well. And the whole management is pretty good. And I'm honored to be a part of this event.
All of us are here today to promote peace and on World Peace Day, and especially for the 26/11 attacks that happened on in Bombay. And it's, I think, some of the participants who are walking today are actually the families of victims of 26/11. So I think like after something like that happens to you, you make spreading peace like your target of life, your goal of life. And that's what I see them doing. They have become ambassadors of peace, and we are here to support their initiative. So I feel really proud and nice. So many of us are walking here, and it feels special and it feels really nice.
I think it's something very nice. Sheer detailing hai. You have like a nice side slit with the beautiful silk embellishment, and you can see यहाँ पे actually butterflies है, because जो जितने butterflies उनको जो आज़ादी मिलती है, it's a depiction of that. So I think it's quite nice piece.
This is a black bangala which I'm wearing. The shoes are mine, so. And this is designed by Archana Kochar and fits pretty well. Looks pretty nice. That's it.
So the outfit has been designed by Archana Kochar, and it's like my third or fourth consecutive Archana Kochar ramp walk. So it's almost like we're having this connection, me and Archana, and it's completely unplanned because this event called me on their own, and they said Archana is the designer. So I was happy. I was like, wow, I worked with her.